What if the sun suddenly doubled in size? Let's be clear, this isn't about mass. It's about volume. If the sun instantly expanded to twice its current diameter, without gaining any mass, the consequences would be catastrophic and fascinating. The sun's diameter is about 1.4 million kilometers. Double that, and you're looking at nearly 3 million kilometers wide, large enough to engulf Mercury and Venus entirely. Earth would be in danger, depending on how the sun's outer atmosphere behaves. But let's back up. What actually happens when the sun increases in size, but not in mass? 1. Gravitational weakening. Doubling the sun's size would spread its mass over a much larger area. That weakens gravity at its surface. The sun would become a red giant-like balloon, with a cooler outer layer and a more bloated shape. It wouldn't be hotter, it'd actually be cooler on the surface, possibly turning reddish-orange. 2. Earth's orbit gets wild. If the sun's mass stays the same, Earth's orbit might remain roughly stable, but tidal forces, solar winds, and radiation output would change dramatically. Earth could get swallowed by the expanding atmosphere, or destabilized by solar drag and radiation pressure. 3. Atmospheric chaos on Earth. Even if Earth avoids being engulfed, temperatures would spike. A bigger sun means a larger surface area radiating energy. Our planet would heat uncontrollably, oceans would boil, and the atmosphere would become a thick, hot soup of water vapor and greenhouse gases. 4. Photosynthesis stops. Crops die. Ecosystems collapse. UV and infrared radiation would fry our crops. Climate zones would evaporate. Ice caps? Gone. Weather patterns? Gone. Humanity? Struggling to survive underground or in artificial environments, if at all. 5. The moon drifts, Earth wobbles. The gravitational rebalancing could disrupt the Earth-Moon system. The moon might drift away, or Earth's axial tilt could shift. This would make seasons unpredictable, if seasons even exist at that point. 6. Solar flares and instability. The newly bloated sun would likely be unstable. Its magnetic field could go wild. Expect huge solar flares, CMEs, and auroras worldwide. But those pretty lights come with lethal radiation storms, taking out satellites, GPS, power grids, and possibly wiping digital civilization. 7. Goodbye, inner planets. Mercury and Venus? Vaporized. Mars might heat up temporarily but then freeze again. Earth would become an exoplanetary hell, temporarily beautiful, permanently uninhabitable. So why would this happen? Naturally, the sun will expand in size, but over billions of years, not instantly. In about 5 billion years, it will naturally become a red giant. But if it suddenly bloated overnight, it would mean a cosmic disruption, maybe a failed alien megastructure, a dimensional event, or an artificial stellar manipulation. The laws of physics would have been tampered with. And nothing would be the same. Could we survive? Short answer? Probably not. Long answer? Only if we'd become a Type 2 civilization, able to harness the energy of stars and build Dyson swarms or planetary shields. Otherwise, Earth would cook. The bigger question: what happens to identity, meaning, and civilization when our star betrays us? Would people still pray to the sun? Worship it? Blame it? Or would we finally understand? The universe isn't hostile, it's just indifferent. And that's what makes it so chilling. So next time you step into the sunlight, remember, our sun is stable, for now. But if it ever decided to swell, we wouldn't just get a longer summer. We'd get a front row seat to extinction. Thanks for watching CONCURDACOSMO, where space isn't just cold, it's chaos. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who thinks the sun can't hurt you. They might want to rethink that.